The MIUZZY Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a powerful 260-watt brushless motor, providing 30 kilopascals of suction power for deep cleaning across various surfaces. With an impressive runtime of up to 50 minutes thanks to its advanced battery design, this vacuum is perfect for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharges. The vacuum maintains strong and fade-free suction by effectively separating air and dust, ensuring a consistent cleaning performance throughout your tasks. Its upgraded V-shaped rolling brush minimizes hair entanglement and, combined with a swiveling brush head and LED lights, allows for thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach corners. Featuring a 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system, the vacuum captures 99.9% of tiny dust particles, promoting cleaner and fresher air in your home. MIUZZY offers excellent after-sales support with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase.